Hi children, welcome to our EVS class. Today lesson is playtime. See the children what they are doing. They are playing in the rain. They are playing in the rain with umbrellas. Okay. Today we are discussing about these topics. Games we play. Games today. Games in olden days. Play is work for some. Okay. What is the topic's name? Games we play. Games in olden days, games today, play is work for some. What are you doing these many days without going to school? To get relaxed, what we will do? Yes, you are playing. Are you interested to play? Yes, you are so much interested to play. Let's see the lesson. Play is as important as work. We need time to rest, relax, and what we enjoy and do what we enjoy. It is rightly said, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Not only doing work every day, morning to night we will do work. We will take relax. In that relaxed time, what we will do? We will play some games. In doing work, we will get some tired. For the time, what we will do? We will just relax. We will take rest and relax. Next. One of the best way to relax is to play games. Playing games relaxes the mind and refreshes the body. Generally, we feel tired. What we will do? We will take rest. Children will play. Playing, talking with our friends, whatever we do to enjoy. So that in that relaxation time, one of the best way is playing. Playing games is the best way to relax the mind and refreshes the body. See, games we play. We all play games. Games can be broadly divided into two categories. We all have fond of games. These games are divided into two categories. What are those? Let's see. Which type of games? Indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games. Indoor games are games like Ludo, chess or carom that we play inside the four walls of the house or any other building. All the houses have four walls. So, inside the four walls, we play these games like Ludo, chess and caroms. Okay. Next, outdoor games. Let's see about outdoor games like cricket, football and basketball are games that are played outside the four walls of the houses or a building. Cricket, football, basketball. These are the outdoor games. We don't play these games inside of the house. If we kick the ball will go. The ball will go and hit the window. What will happen? The window glasses were broken. So it is damaged our house. So we should play these games outside of the house. Okay. Indoor games. These are the outdoor games. What are indoor games? Ludo, chess, caroms. These are the indoor games. What are outdoor games? Cricket, football, basketball. These are the outdoor games. See here some pictures are given. Given below are pictures of some games. Make arrow for indoor games and tree shape for the outdoor ones in the empty boxes. See, in certain sports are played indoors. See here. Here some indoor games, some outdoor games. Let's see. Chess. Chess is the indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, indoor game. Yes, lawn tennis. Lawn tennis, indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, it is outdoor game. Next, Ludo. Ludo, indoor game. 4 members will sit and play this game. Next, what is this? Hockey. Is this indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, it is outdoor game. Next, snakes and ladders. snakes and ladders. This is indoor game or outdoor game? Is this? Yes, it is an indoor game. Table tennis. Table tennis, is this indoor game or outdoor game? Table tennis also an indoor game. Chess, an indoor game. Lawn tennis, outdoor game. Ludo, an indoor game. Hockey, outdoor game. Snakes and ladders, an indoor game. Table tennis are indoor game. Okay. Next, see. In empty boxes, we have to write like this. For indoor game, like this. One arrow. For outdoor game, what we write? Like a tree shape. Okay. Next. In many homes, grandparents, parents and children spend time together while playing indoor games. This brings them closer to each other. See, their parents sit along with the children. They are playing the game. Which game it is? Some game is they are playing with their children. Indoor mean inside. What the family members do here? Do grandparents or play? You all sit all together. So in a day they are busy in their work. If they sit like this, they will play together and have some closeness. Okay. You also try to play with your parents. Small games, okay, like chess, caroms, snakes and ladders. Okay, you have to ask your parents and play with them. Some people enjoy swimming, cycling, skating, walking, etc. in their free time. These activities are very relaxing as well as good exercise for the body. Not only playing games, these cycling, by doing these also, cycling, skating, walking, by doing these also have fun. And not only fun, it gives good exercise for our body. See this boy, what this boy is doing? This boy is swimming, doing swimming. While swimming, you have to move your legs and hands both at a time. It is a good exercise. What this boy is doing? He is doing cycling. What this boy is doing? Running, walking, running. This one also give good exercise for us and give relaxation also for our mind and body. This boy, see, this is the skating. See the skating shoes. These are the skating shoes. Okay. See, elders talk. Physical exercise is essential to remain healthy. Hence, we should play sports or exercise daily. Daily, we will do exercise. It is do physical exercise is very good for your health. Next, playing cards has been a popular recreation activity for almost last 700 years. We see in our surroundings also some occasions are the celebrating. In that time, the elders will all play these playing cards. They will play with the cards. Next, do not step on the land and do not step on and trample plant while playing games in the open. While you are playing, don't step on the trample plants. Okay. Next, games in olden days. When your grandparents were children, there were no televisions or computers. During those days, most children went outdoor in the evening to play. In olden days, the people used to play some games. Okay? Your grandparents, your parents, they don't have televisions or computers. How they spend their time? During those days, most children went to outdoor in the evenings to play. While they come, after coming the school, they will go to play to outdoor games. Games like kanchi, mean marbles, that is called marbles, gilli danda, pittu, like that is called 7 tiles, stapu, hopscotch, and Anki Micholi. Anki Micholi, hide and seek were played. Olden days they are playing these type of games. Kanchi, marbles. Nowadays also we are seeing this game in villages, some streets. Children will play these games, marbles game. See, this is the Kanchi marbles game. They play like this. They hit the marble with his index finger, with his index finger. Next, Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda means they play with two sticks. They use two sticks, one long stick and one short stick. They will hit the small stick with the big stick. In villages, some streets also we will play. Nowadays we also so many people are playing this game. Next, Pittu means seven tiles. See, this is the Pittu game. They arrange 7 steps. Another boy will hit the 7 tiles with a ball or a stone. Okay. Next, Stampu. See, hop. Like hopscotch. Next, Anki Micholi, hide and seek. Nowadays also we are playing these games. See, the elders played chopper or spent time in flying kites. The elders played chopper. See, this is the chopper game. Or spent time in flying kites. Wrestling and kabaddi are two very old popular sports of India. See, this is the kabaddi. One court is here. This side some members and this side are some members. They play this game kabaddi. In TV also, in television also we are watching this. Pro Kabaddi League. This is our very old and popular game. Wrestling. 2 men is here. They are fighting each other. This is the wrestling. In olden days, very popular these games. Nowadays also, so members are using this. So many members are playing these games. Kabaddi, wrestling, kite flying. In Sankranti season, we so many children flying kites. Chopper. This is the chopper. Okay, these are the olden games. The words are different, but they are interesting games. They will play with marbles in the street like that. Okay. Next, games today. Games today. The games that are played nowadays are very different from those played in olden days. People play games like hockey, cricket, football, table tennis, throw ball, etc. In olden days, they played the type of games. In nowadays, we are playing this type of games: hockey, cricket, football, table tennis, throw ball. Some people enjoy adventurous sports like hot air balloons, river rafting, hatching, scuba diving, mountaineering, and rock climbing. Some people enjoy their games in adventurous way. See, hot air balloon. See, this balloon move on the air with fire. Next, river rafting. This is the hatching. This is the scuba diving. Scuba diving, they will go deep into the sea. We will see the adventurous in sea. See this picture. This boy went in very deep in the sea. But he used some safety. See. Oxygen cylinder, mask, like this. This is hatching. These are the adventurous sports. Adventure sports. Next, play is work for some. Play is work for some. Many people play games to earn money. So many people play games to earn money because that is their profession for them. Playing sports is an occupation. Their occupation is playing games. Such people are sports persons. Such people are called sports persons by profession. Their profession is playing. So, in that way they earn money. Cricket, football, badminton, boxing, billiards, archery, table tennis are some sports that people play professionally. See, they are professionals in cricket coach, football coach, like that. In that way they work and get earn money for that time. See here, one activity is given. Look the pictures of some famous Indian sports persons. Name the sports for which they are known. See, some pictures are here. See, have you seen there? Anywhere? Have you seen anywhere? Yes. Who is he? Who is he? He is Mr. M.S. Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He is famous in which game? Cricket. Which game? Cricket. Next, Abhinav Bindra. Who is he? He is Abhinav Bindra. He is famous in shooting. He is famous in shooting. Sania Mirza. She is famous in tennis. MS Dhoni cricket. Abhinav Bindra famous in shooting. Sania Mirza famous in tennis. Okay. Next, Naren Karthikeyan. Naren Karthikeyan. He is famous in car racing. Next, PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu. He is famous in badminton. Next, Vijayendra Singh. He is famous in boxing. Next, Vishwanathan Anand. Viswanathan Anand. He is famous in chess. Okay, once again I will repeat. MS Dhoni famous in cricket. Abhinav Bindra shooting. Sania Mirza tennis. Naren Karthikeyan car racing. PV Sindhu badminton. Vijayendra Singh famous in boxing. Viswanathan Anand famous in chess. Okay. Although cricket is a very popular sport in India, the national game of India is hockey. Our national game is hockey, but the cricket is very popular sport in India. Cricket is national game for England people, but our national game is hockey. But cricket is famous for very popular sports in India. Okay, have you understood this lesson? Now I will ask few questions. See, a game that was played in the past in olden days. Which game? Gilli Danda, table tennis, Scrabble. Gilli Danda. Next, which of the following are good for our health? Sports, video games, computer games. Which one is good for our health? Yes, sports. Playing game is a means to relax, good exercise, both of these. Playing game is means to relax and good exercise also. Next, an example of an adventurous sport is cricket, river rafting, kabaddi. Which one is adventurous game? River rafting. Okay. See, encircle the odd one out. See, first one is sport. Cricket. See the options: cricket, hockey, caroms, badminton. Which one is sport? Cricket, hockey, caroms, badminton. These three are sports, and caroms are not a sport. It is an indoor game. Okay. Olden days games. See, some options are given. Kanchi, Pittu, football, Gilli Danda. Which are olden days games? Kanche, Pittu and Gilli Danda. This one is not olden game. So, we are odd. This one is odd. Next, indoor games. See here. Ludo, chess, caroms, basketball. Which one is outdoor game? Yes, basketball is outdoor game. These three are indoor games. Ludo, chess, caroms. These are the indoor games. Next, adventurous sports. Rock climbing, scuba diving, mountaineering, hockey. Which are adventurous games? Yes, rock climbing adventurous game, scuba diving also adventurous game, mountaineering also adventurous game. Hockey is odd one. Okay, have you understood this lesson? Okay, you also play games, do exercise daily. Okay, thank you.